Hi, everybody.
Hi.
Yeah, I'm eager to share with you about our proposal. This is the first online course advisor platform on Cardano. As our study, the challenge learner face in choosing online course and loading, selecting the right course from numerous options, ensuring reliability, and evaluating certificate value and the code. And Kisalwa Academy is an online course advisor platform that offers course certificate free from top university and institutions around the world. And we want to mention about this is our strategic partnership to make sure this is our competitive advantage. We got strategic partnership with the FireJob. This is the top HR company in Vietnam with 1.2 million users. And this is also our target audience. Number two, this is we got strategic partner with the IdeaFest. This is a science technology institution with a strong academic background to support us to do the course review video. And then I want to deep dive this is the challenge of the learner. You can see this is a without core advisor when you choose the course. There is the challenge. The challenge of the learner can face. Number one, this is wasted time and effort, limited skill development, and we can face this is a financial cost. And with a course advisor, you can get this is target skill development. You can get the continuous learning support, and it has the learning outcome. And we want to mention about the impact of our proposal. Number one, this is promote the widespread recognition of Catalyst and Cardano. Number two, this is we encourage the startup on Cardano ecosystem. And number three, this is facilitate the learner familiarity with the Cardano blockchain. And this is our key metrics. We plan this is 20,000 users registered in the first year, and 5,000 the give Salmo certificate bring to the customer, and 100 the new startup on Catalyst. This is our contact detail. And I also want to mention about this is how we do course review. You can see we got the 10 key criteria to consider when evaluating the benefit and value of online course. And we got this is the ranking point to consider to evaluate the course. You can see, right? Okay, that's all from my side.